Get ready for a playful showcase of interactive cat gadgets that'll whisk your feline friend into a world of joy. From app-controlled toys to treat-dispensing wonders, we've rounded up the best in the market. Watch as your cat engages in stimulating activities, ensuring both physical and mental exercise. Dive into this visual journey, discovering how these gadgets can foster a happier, healthier, and more entertained kitty. Stay tuned for pro tips and click subscribe to stay in the loop on all things feline-friendly tech. Let's kick things off with a grand reveal of the 𝙇𝙤𝙣𝙠𝙨 window perch. Sturdy, comfortable, and designed with your cat's happiness in mind, this is the next level of feline luxury. Get ready for the ultimate lounging experience. Wondering about setup? Fear not! We'll guide you through the straightforward installation process. No tools required, just a few simple steps and your cat's new favorite spot is ready to roll. Easy for you, bliss for your kitty. Now let's talk about the hammock design. Elegant and functional, it adds a gentle sway for that extra touch of relaxation. Picture your cat soaking up the sun, swaying in pure contentment. It's the visual treat your feline friend deserves. Time to dive into the plush cushion bed cover, not just a pretty addition. We'll explore the material, the feel, and why this cushion cover is the key to creating a cozy sanctuary for your furry companion. Comfort redefined. For those tight on space, rejoice. The 𝙇𝙤𝙣𝙠𝙨 window perch isn't just about comfort, it's a space-saving hero. Say farewell to bulky cat furniture as this perch seamlessly integrates with your window, providing your cat with the ultimate lookout point. If you've ever wondered how to keep your pets warm without the hassle, you're in for a treat. Let's jump right into the warmth. Let's kick things off with the grand reveal of the self-warming cat bed and self-heating cat dog mat. Designed to provide a cozy retreat for your pets, these innovative accessories bring warmth without the need for electricity. It's like a toasty hug for your furry companions. Now, you might be wondering, how does it work? In this segment, we'll uncover the science behind the self-warming technology. From reflective layers to heat-absorbing materials, these products are engineered to create a snug environment that your cats and dogs will adore. One of the best things about these self-warming gems is that they aren't just for winter. Curious to see how our furry friends react to these self-warming wonders? We've enlisted the help of some adorable cats and dogs to give these products a test run. Today, we're unraveling the world of feline entertainment with the cat scratching cardboard and ball toy for indoor cats. Get ready for the grand reveal of the cat scratching cardboard, a double-duty delight for both your cat's claws and your home decor. But that's not all. Attached to this scratching paradise is a ball toy that adds an extra layer of excitement. Ever wondered why cats love to scratch? In this segment, we'll delve into the natural instincts behind this behavior and why having dedicated scratching cardboard is not just a luxury, but a necessity for your indoor kitty's well-being. Curious to see how cats interact with this scratching cardboard and ball toy combo? Stay tuned as we share clips of real cat playtime. From energetic pounces to delightful swats, it's a first-hand look at the joy these products bring to our feline friends. Backpack pet carriers are more than just a trendy accessory. They're a game changer for pet owners on the move. In this segment, we'll explore the convenience these carriers offer, from hands-free travel to creating a cozy space for your pets to relax while you're on the go. Who says practical can't be stylish? We'll delve into the world of backpack pet carriers, showcasing a variety of designs that blend fashion with functionality. Whether you're into vibrant colors, sleek modern looks, or something more classic, there's a backpack pet carrier out there to suit your taste. One of the key factors when choosing a backpack pet carrier is ensuring your pets are comfortable. We'll discuss the features that contribute to a pleasant experience for your furry friends, from padded interiors to ventilation. ensuring they enjoy the journey as much as you do. Choosing the right backpack pet carrier can be overwhelming with so many options available. In this segment, we'll share some valuable tips to consider when making your selection. Whether you have a small lapdog or a larger canine companion, there's a perfect backpack carrier for every pet. Before we wrap up this backpack pet carrier exploration, here's a special shout out to our subscribers. Automatic cat water fountains are more than just a fancy addition to your home. They're a hydration game changer. In this segment, we'll explore why the continuous flow of water can make a significant difference in your cat's health, encouraging them to drink more and stay well hydrated. Let's talk about the incredible health benefits these fountains bring to the table. From promoting kidney function to preventing urinary issues, we'll uncover how this simple addition to your cat's environment can contribute to their overall well-being. It's like having a mini spa for your cat's hydration needs.